In this video, I'm going to talk about 3 key reasons why your product is failing on Amazon, so hopefully you can fix the problem or avoid it altogether on your next product. But first, my name is Crescent, and if this is our first time meeting, welcome. On this channel, I share tips and strategies on how you can create a successful Amazon FBA private label business. So if you enjoy videos like this, or especially if you've been around my channel, consider subscribing. All right, let's get started. All right, so from my experience through coaching and mentoring, I've realized that all failed products have 3 key reasons in common. The first and most common is due to poor product research. When it comes to business, in order to be successful, every business needs sales. And in the Amazon private label business, to hit specific sales targets, the niche needs to meet specific criteria, such as the daily sales velocity, while not being too competitive. Now, this is important because if the niche is too competitive, you're going to have a difficult time getting market share, as you will have a hard time ranking your listing onto the first page, where 80% of online sales are made. Additionally, not making sure that the niche meets all of the criteria is a sure path to failure. Poor product research generally stems from poor planning. I don't know why no one else teaches this, but you have to plan your product research before you even start researching. If you'd like more details on how to do proper product research, click the card over here. Alongside poor product research is analyzing niches using the wrong, broadest keyword phrase. This is the most difficult to catch since beginners share screenshots without revealing the product or keyword phrase. So often, there's no way to catch the fact that they've used the wrong keyword phrase. Using the wrong keyword phrase can dramatically impact the data that you see, resulting in making a decision on a niche with incorrect data. For example, if you take a look at letterboards, you'll see that the data shows that the niche is extremely competitive. However, if you use the keyword letter signs, suddenly the niche doesn't look so competitive. The problem is letter signs is the wrong keyword phrase to use. I have a video dedicated to this problem here. Second, products fail due to poor listing quality. All aspects of your listing need to be optimized to attract eyes and convince people to buy. This begins with high quality photos, an optimized listing title, bullet points, and description. The quality of a listing can make or break a product. Even a good product will fail if the listing itself is done poorly. That's why it's vital that your photos and title communicate the value of your product, and the bullets and description really push to sell its benefits. It's important to know the difference between features and benefits. People buy things based on benefits, how the product is going to make their life easier or resolve a pain point. People psychologically don't make purchases based on features, such as the size or material that it's made out of, or some other insignificant detail. Additionally, it's important that you do keyword research prior to creating your listing so that you can strategically use relevant keywords within your listing and for the back-end keywords so that your listing gets indexed for those keywords so that your listing will actually show up in the search results. Unfortunately, I see so many beginners blindly creating their listing. Just like with anything else, you need to start with a plan ahead of time. And in order to build a powerful and optimized listing, you need to have the key ingredients. And those ingredients are relevant keywords. And lastly, products fail due to poor product launch strategy. I've seen so many beginners assume that just because their product is live in the Amazon marketplace, that sales will just start coming in. That can't be farther from the truth, even if you have a good product. Just like any major brand like Apple or Samsung, whenever they're about to launch a new product, they have a launch strategy already pre-planned, ready to execute in order to get the plan out there in front of people. The same applies to your new product on Amazon. When your product launches, you need to get it in front of people. You need to have a well thought out plan to execute the methods and strategies you've decided to use, whether that's with PPC, promos and giveaways, or other forms of advertising. What's more important, however, which a lot of beginners fail to do ahead of time, is to know exactly how many units you need to sell per day, called the daily sales velocity. You need to know this number in order to get your listing ranked onto the first page. Without knowing this number, your product launch will fail. All successful products have listings ranked as high as possible in the search results to the top of the first page, period. And in order to get ranked up there, proper product tracking is essential to getting the data required to realize how many units the top sellers are selling per day so that you can do a product launch that matches or beats this daily sales velocity. And thus, it should go without saying that in order to have enough units to get ranked to the first page, you need to have ordered enough units in the first place. And again, this all stems from proper planning. It's important to note here that product tracking the daily sales velocity should be done before you even committed to getting into a niche in the first place in order to verify the sales velocity data you see during product research. Let me know in the comments if you have a successful or a failed product and if you've applied any of these strategies or not. Now, if you have a poor listing or a poor product launch, you can still turn your product around and hopefully make it profitable. However, if you've chosen a bad product due to poor product research, be sure to apply these key strategies so you have the best chance for success with your next product. All right, thanks for watching. If you found value in this video, you know what to do. Hit that like button, comment, and subscribe. And to make sure you never miss a video, click that bell icon to turn on notifications. There's also a link in the description to our community forums, which you should totally join. And if you're looking for more tips and strategy videos, click or tap over here. And as always, thanks for watching.